In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a services page and organize your landing page using the Pages and Menu panel. We'll start by opening the Pages and Menu panel on the left side of your editor. This is your site's control center for adding, viewing, and organizing pages. Go ahead and click it to expand the list of your current pages and the main controls you'll use today. Next, click Add Page. As soon as you do, give the editor a moment to load. You may see a spinner or a brief dimming of the interface. Both are normal. Avoid clicking repeatedly while it's loading. That helps prevent duplicate actions and keeps things running smoothly. When the page options appear, select Services. This tells the editor you're creating a page that's designed for showcasing offerings. After choosing Services, click Add Page to confirm. The system will create the page, and you'll likely see another loading state while it sets everything up. Keep waiting until the loading finishes. Sometimes there's a second short loading phase as the editor prepares the new page and its preview in the list. Continue to wait until you can see the services page listed and the interface looks responsive again. Now click on your landing page in the Pages and Menu list. We're switching focus to that page so you can keep things consistent across your site. With the landing page selected, rename it to something clear and recognizable. Use a name that matches its purpose, something like Home, Start Here, or a concise campaign title. Short, descriptive names make navigation clearer for visitors and help you stay organized as your site grows. With the landing page renamed, adjust its position slightly inside another page that appears above it in the Pages and Menu. Drag it just a bit to the right, beneath that page, so it's nested under it. You'll typically see a small indent or a visual cue that confirms it's being placed inside. Drop it there to finalize the adjustment. This creates a tidy structure, making it easier for visitors to find related content, and it keeps your top-level menu more streamlined. If the indent looks too deep or too shallow, simply drag it again until it sits exactly where you want it. And that's it. You opened the Pages and Menu panel, added a services page, waited for the editor to finish loading at each step, selected your landing page, renamed it, and positioned it neatly inside another page